Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Login Aids. In this video, I will guide you on how to fix Uber Eats promo code not applied. Uber Eats is an online application where you can order foods online and get it delivered to your doorstep. So if your Uber Eats promo code is not being applied, it can be very frustrating. But do not worry, we have got you covered. So first of all, open your Uber Eats application. Now tap on your account, which is at the bottom right corner. Here you can see several options like family and teens, ride, promotions, send a gift, help, etc. You have to tap on the promotions option, and at the top you can see enter promo code bar. Tap on it and enter the promo code. Here you can see my Uber Eats promo code is not being applied. So for the promo code to be valid, double check expiration date of your Uber code. Make sure your promo code is valid. Confirm that the items in your cart is eligible for discounts. And another step that you can take is go to the Play Store and update your Uber Eats app. Tap on Home button. Now open Play Store application. Tap on the search bar and type Uber Eats. Now tap on Uber Eats Food Delivery. Here you can see my app is already updated. If your app is not updated, update your app. So that's how you do it. That's how you fix Uber Eats promo code not applied. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.